What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank Be Chopping. We back with another video, so check it out. I got a package in earlier this week. Haven't had time to open it. Just been super busy with my other unboxings and other videos. But we're gonna get to this package today. I don't know if y'all can see that, but check who it's from. Shout out to my boy, the Pissed Off Barber. Let's go ahead and open this and see what my boy sent me. All right, let's see what's in this box. Move this to the side. First thing in this box is the anti-social shave club. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so I got some nice little stainless steel blades. We got some shave gel. I actually needed some shave gel, I just ran out. So we're gonna put that up there. We got a nice little razor blade. Let's take this out so y'all can see this. Check that out. All right, let me go ahead and put this to the side. I appreciate you. Appreciate the TPOB. I appreciate the shaving stuff. Let me put this to the side. And then let's check what else we got in here. All right, so we also got the Pissed Off Barber Mini Skull Slime Edition. Y'all take a look at that. Let's put that to the side. We got the Pissed Off Barber Ghost X Slime Edition. Let's go, let's go. And then we also got, oh wait, before I move on to that one, we also got a little replacement foil for the mini skull. And then we got the Slime 2's Diamond Carbon Edition. Check it out. We're gonna open this up right here in a second. So as you can see, it comes with some color guards. Might use them, might not, let's see. But first, before we get into this, let's backtrack a little bit. Let's go ahead and open up the mini skull. So as you can see, once you open up the box, the shaver is wrapped in this little paper. So let's go ahead and take this out. I'm liking that green on it. Check that out. You want my cat? You hear that? Okay, not bad. Then we're gonna open up this, see what else comes in this box. And then we do get a USB cord to charge the mini skull. Get a little brush that I ain't never gonna use. And then we get this that I ain't never gonna look at. So that is the Pissed Off Barber Mini Skull. All right, now we're gonna open up the Ghost X Slime Edition. Oh, look at them slime drips. All right, so check it out. Here is the trimmer packaged in the box. Let's go ahead and take this trimmer out. Take a look at this. So that's the blade on it. Here is the trimmer. As you can see, you can probably take this off. I feel like you can pop that off. Yeah, so you can pop this off, make it skeleton, or you can just leave it on there. Whatever is up to you, whatever you want to do. All right, but let's go ahead and look at what else comes in the box. Let's put that to the side. So we're gonna move this out the way. And as you can see, we got the little user manual. And we also have a slime color charging stand. And then we have the USB cord for it. Comes with some oil and a couple little trimmer guards that nobody really uses, but it's in the box. Go ahead and put that to the side and open up this clipper. Here is the Slime 2's. As y'all can see, we got some color guards in here. Let's go ahead and open this so y'all can take a look at this clipper. All right, so check it out. So once we open up the box, we do got a nice little plastic covering to protect the clipper. Let's go ahead and move this out the way. Take the clipper out the box. And here is the slime. Check that out. Here is the clipper. We have a fade blade on here, DLC fade blade. Sounds good. Oh, click lever. I was expecting a floating lever, but we got a click lever on there. All right, let's see what else comes in this box. Let's move this out the way. So yeah, as you can see, we got a bunch of different color guards in here. From what is it? From number 1, or I'm sorry, from the 1/16th all the way to the number 6 guard. Check it out. Then we also get a pissed off barber comb. Manual, we don't ever look at. Here is the charging stand for it. Same color as the charging stand of the trimmer. Oil and a brush. And then the USB cord. All right, guys, so that's basically the unboxing of the Pissed Off Barber's mini skull, the Ghost trimmer, and then the Slime 2 clippers. So we're going to put these things to use. I'm going to see what they do, and I'm going to let y'all know. Let's get it. Where you been at, man? It's been a while.
Man, bro, it's been too long, man.
Been busy working or what?
Yeah, man. Every time I schedule them, I hate the one I have to cancel.
Oh yeah, because you have been canceling a lot. You
Well, the one that
motherfucker.
I canceled, the one that I canceled for him, though, because she didn't want to bring him here.
That was like on Monday, right?
Yeah.
Wait, that haircut was a new haircut?
No, like,
Oh, I
no,
was finna
not
say.
that one. No, that one, I canceled his a while.
Okay.
Like, that was a while. The one that I.
Everything up for me. And I don't know how much it is this year. Yeah.
That motherfucker come up in here talking about, hey, asking no questions.
Yeah, I think he's.
Told y'all. What's up? Y'all didn't believe me.
LeBron, right? You knew that was gonna happen.
Yeah.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, guys. So once again, here is the Pissed Off Barber clipper, the slime, and trimmer. Check them out once again, guys. And as you can see, we got the mini score here also. A nice little shaver. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn on this clipper for you one more time so y'all can hear how it sounds. It's like super, super quiet. Super quiet clipper. Let's go ahead and turn on the trimmer for y'all. Same thing, pretty quiet, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the shaver for y'all. So yeah, man, that's the clipper. That's the slime edition clipper, the slime edition trimmer, and the mini score from my boy TPOB, the Pissed Off Barber. One thing I did want to say about this clipper from the Pissed Off Barber is it is slightly different due to it having only 4 notches in the click lever. So most of the time, guys, I'm used to like 5 notches. So this one only has 4. You know what I'm saying? You can open it all the way up, close it 1 notch, another notch, and then all the way closed. So it's only 4. Wasn't sure how that was if that was gonna affect me or not, but for the most part, it really didn't. I just went through my steps and went notch by notch instead of doing open halfway and then close. I just went notch by notch and it still worked for me. A pretty solid trimmer, not the most powerful trimmer that I've ever used, but it's pretty solid, you know what I'm saying? It gets the job done. It can go through bulk pretty good. It can fade pretty good. And then I believe they have this on Amazon right now for like 54 bucks, $54.99, something like that. So for 55 bucks, I think this is a pretty good deal. The battery life on it is pretty solid, super quiet, really light, but it is really ergonomic. Do like the click lever on it. It's got a nice little blade on there. Work good, guys. Once again, like I said, this is a solid clipper. Now let's go ahead and check out the trimmer. So once again, super quiet trimmer. And I believe on Amazon, they got this one for like $45.99, $49.99, something like that. I don't know the exact price, but I will make sure to post them in the video, you know, somewhere. You know how your boy does it. But super quiet trimmer, not the best when it came to balding or lining up, but it did get the job done, you know what I'm saying? It did bald out, had no issues with balding out. I'm not sure how it performs with super, super thick hair, but for the most part, it worked good, man. Like, I did get some pretty good lines with it, and I could get the hair bald enough to where I can go over it with the shaver, and it's still just, you know what I'm saying? Like, they still just flowed into each other from the shaver to the trimmer to the clipper. Not an issue with the transition from none of these clippers or machines at all. Flowed really well together. So, I mean, nonetheless, man, I think it's a pretty solid trimmer. Once again, probably not the best trimmer out on the market, but for 45 bucks, 44 bucks, whatever it is, it's a pretty solid trimmer. And then I do like the mini skull, you know what I'm saying? It's just a single foil shaver. As y'all can see, pretty quiet, but I like the single foil shavers, guys, because me, honestly, I like to use this to line up right above the mustache, sometimes behind the ear, you know, under the neck, you know what I'm saying? So I really like this shaver a lot. Especially for what it is, you know what I'm saying? Works good, gets the job done. And I wasn't using it for any heavy debulking except for the time that you saw in the video, but I really didn't use it for any heavy balding, you know what I'm saying? I really just used it for maybe like the taper behind the ear or the mustache area, and it got the job done. I'm not exactly sure how much this is on Amazon, but I know they have it on Amazon also, but I'm not sure the price. If I can find it, once again, guys, I'll make sure to put that in the video. But I do believe that the Pissed Off Barber is currently sold out of these machines on his website. These are, you know, the Slime Edition clipper and trimmer with the mini skull. Once again, I believe they are sold out on his website, but if you want to go check them out, he may get some new ones in stock. I'm not 100% sure, but you can go to his website, thepissedoffbarber.com. I do know he just dropped some new clippers, the Goblins. Might have to check those out soon. He just dropped those. So I do have a discount code for the pissedoffbarber.com. So once again, if you do want to try any of the Pissed Off Barber's tools, you can go to his website, thepissedoffbarber.com. Use my discount code TANK. Once again, I'm not sure if they have these on his website, but he does have some new clippers on there, and he has, you know, different assortments. I know he has the Phantoms and the Demons on his website, so you can use my discount code TANK if you like. But other than that, guys, that's basically it for this video. I just wanted to put these to use, get y'all some footage of me using this clipper, trimmer, and shaver. That way y'all can know if it's something that you may want to buy or not. But yeah, man, if y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure and subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.